The terms Tsonga and Shangaan are closely related and people often use them interchangeably, but there are historical and cultural distinctions. Here's a clear breakdown. 1. Origin and identity. Tsonga. The Tsonga are a broader ethnic group native to southern Africa, mainly parts of South Africa, Mozambique, and Zimbabwe. They have lived in this region for centuries, especially in areas like Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Tsonga refers to a language and cultural group. Shangaan. The Shangaan are a subgroup within the Tsonga people. Their identity comes from Shangaan, a 19th century leader. Shangaan was part of the Nguni migrations during the Mfikane, a period of wars and displacement. He formed the Gaza Empire in Mozambique and incorporated many Tsonga-speaking people. So, all Shangaan are Tsonga, but not all Tsonga are Shangaan. 2. Tribes, clans, Tsonga clans. Some well-known Tsonga clans include Baloi Baluleka, Valoi Hlungwani Manganyi Nexumalo. These clans existed before Shangaan identity formed. Shangaan clans, Shangaan people include Tsonga clans, plus groups absorbed into Soshangane's kingdom. Some clans adopted Shangaan identity due to political influence and migration. Shangaan identity is more historical political, while Tsonga is more ethnic linguistic. 3. Culture and traditions shared Tsonga. Shangaan culture. Because they are closely related, they share many traditions, language, Tsonga music, and dance, like Zibalani dance, respect for ancestors, initiation schools, traditional attire, colorful skirts, beadwork, differences, subtle but important, aspect, Tsonga Shangaan identity ethnic group subgroup shaped by history, origin indigenous to region linked to Soshangane's empire, cultural influence, original traditions, mix of Tsonga, plus Nguni influences language, Shitsonga, with some Nguni influence. 4. Historical influence. The Shangaan identity became stronger during and after the Gaza Empire. Nguni military systems, leadership styles, and some customs influenced Shangaan culture. Tsonga groups who were not under Soshangane remained purely Tsonga. Simple way to understand it, Tsonga. The bigger ethnic family Shangaan, a branch of that family shaped by a specific historical leader and empire. Final thought. Today, many people proudly identify as Tsonga, Shangaan, or both. It often depends on family history and region rather than strict differences. If you want, I can break it down further into language differences, surnames, or traditions like lobola and initiation schools. Simply comment yes on the comment section so I can go deeper. By Tsutsuma de King, African Tsonga Cowboy.